Hey guys, this is Dick. Today I bring you new version of louboutin. Yes, this one. It's named the louboutin Men's Flat. Yes, we can find it in official website. Yes, it looks the same. We also make best quality. Yes. Okay, we see. Yes, the fabric is shining black with those spikes. Yeah, as you can see. Okay, it's look cool, and with red sole. Okay, all red. Yeah, it's unusual in the normal louboutin. Okay, we can see inside is lamber skin with golden letters Christian louboutin. Okay, we can see the sole is, also the logo is clear. Okay, it's made in EU, it's also clear. Yeah, it's almost the same, with the official website. Okay, the shining black is very cool under the light. Okay, we can see. Yeah, very cool. Has another one. Yeah, the same. Okay, best quality. And now I can show you around about the shoes. And you guys, you can see all versions. Okay. And now we see some details because, for example, the back heel, it's 6 spikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. And we can see the spikes goes in straight line. You see? Yeah. Another side. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Okay now. Yeah. Okay, it will come, if you buy the shoes, it will come with the authentic shopping bags. Okay. There's the logo. The battery inside. And 2 dust bags. Yeah. Authentic material. Finally, shoebox. It will come together. Okay, guys, if you have any other questions, you can contact to me and ask me. I'm waiting for you. Okay, this is my contact ways: Instagram, YouTube, or you can message me on WhatsApp. Guys, I'm waiting for you.